Your brain lights up like a jackpot machine every time you spend money. That rush you feel when you hit buy now, it's not financial freedom. It's dopamine hijacking your financial future. But what if I told you that understanding this one chemical could be the missing key between staying broke and becoming effortlessly wealthy? Welcome to Deep Dive with Vishakh, where we explore the hidden psychology of money by peeling back the layers of your beliefs, habits, and emotional wiring, so that you can stop surviving and start building lasting wealth. Before we talk tactics, let me introduce you to someone who, like many of us, didn't have a money problem, but he had a dopamine problem. Kabir, 29, smart, educated, earning well in a metro job, but somehow, no matter how hard he worked or how much he earned, he was always broke by the end of the month. His guilty pleasures were common: 499 rupees of Swiggy meals almost daily, shopping app checkouts just to feel good, 2 a.m. scrolling binges that ended in purchases he forgot the next morning. He tried saving, he really did, but by mid-month, stress would creep up. That impulse to just treat yourself became a ritual. You would say, maybe I'm just not the saving type. One night though, it all hit him. As he stared at his latest credit card bill, 1,60,650 was gone, and he couldn't even remember a single thing he had bought that truly mattered. Just plastic packaging and emptiness. That night, he whispered to himself, I feel like I'm stuck in an endless spending loop with no way to get out. So, what was happening inside Kabir's mind? Let's break it down. Each time Kabir clicked order now, his brain released dopamine, the pleasure hormone. But dopamine isn't about satisfaction, it's about anticipation. Your brain releases dopamine when it expects a reward, not when you actually get it. That anticipation of spending is immediate. One click, one swipe, one buy, and your brain says, yes, more. But saving, it delays the reward. There is no quick thrill, just a slow climb, and your brain gets bored. This is tied to something called as temporal discounting. Is a fancy term for we value 500 rupees now more than 1000 rupees later. It's not because we are bad at math, it's because our brains are wired for short-term pleasures, not long-term growth. And we experience this in our lives too. Like, have you felt excited before buying something but underwhelmed after? Added 5 items to cart but never checked out and still felt satisfied? Promised to save next month, then hit had to bag during a flash sale. That's dopamine. It's not just Kabir, it's all of us, living in a reward-rich, discipline-poor environment. But just like your brain learned to love fast rewards, it can be retrained to crave long-term wins. To come out of the loop, Kabir didn't become a monk, he became strategic. Here's how he turned things around without giving up joy. He tracked his dopamine purchases. For 1 week, each time he made an impulse buy, he logged what triggered it: boredom, stress, or social media. He created a save and celebrate ritual. Each 1000 rupees saved triggered a small, guilt-free treat: a coffee, a guilt-less nap, a favorite playlist. His brain now started associating saving with satisfaction. He built visual momentum. Kabir used a savings tracker that showed progress with every deposit, like a video game XP bar. That progress bar became his new dopamine. Let's break it down to 3 habits you can steal today to break out of your dopamine loop. Gamify your savings. Use visual tools or apps that make saving feel rewarding. Progress bars, streaks, milestones. Let your brain see your success. Pause before your purchase. Add friction. A 24-hour rule. Wishlist folders. Anything that delays the hit, so logic can catch up with impulse. Celebrate saving. Combine a reward to every saving milestone. Coffee, music, praise. Anything that makes your brain go, hey, saving feels good. So instead of fighting your dopamine, redirect it. Make saving feel like winning. Make your future feel as emotionally real as that new phone. Because wealth isn't built on willpower, it's built on neuro alignment. Comment below what's one dopamine trap you're breaking this week. so that we can rewire our minds together. If this made you think differently about money, hit that subscribe button. Join me here on Think Rich with Vishakh every Saturday, and let's build wealth where it really starts, in your mind.